Ciao, my friends. So I was asked, actually, I was DM'd a few times after the video that I posted about my weight loss, and they asked me a lot of questions about my watch. So I'm just gonna show you the watch that I received from my hubby for my birthday, and he bought it off of a website that I will share, I think, in my Linktree, and you can go in there and check it out. But I like expensive things, I like elegant things, I like different styles, and yeah, my husband knows all about that, because sometimes he will say, Shelley, you're very expensive, but he doesn't complain, but he will buy me nice things. So I got this watch for my birthday, and I showed him what I was looking for. So he got it off of a website. As I said, I like expensive things, and this is expensive, but mine is on a budget. So if you shop on this website, you will get everything you want on a budget. I love shopping, for good things on a budget that's very affordable. And I will show you how the watch arrived to me, except for it won't be in the outside packaging, the box that it was shipped in. But it came, he ordered also the packaging for it, and I will get into that with this. So this is what it came in. This is what it looked like, all in this beautiful bag, and I love it. So after you open up the box, you'll find the bag, and then it will come in this style of a box. It also came with paperwork here, and I was excited to see that, but anyway, I don't know if it'll do me any good, but it's the whole unboxing experience, and it was very beautiful. So this is the box that it came in. I don't know if you can see, but this is the cover. And then once you take it off, this is the way it opens, and this folds down, so you have a little protection around your box like this, and it folds down, and this is what the inside box itself looks like. It's very beautiful. Now, I'm sure you all know this logo here, so I don't know if I can do everything here, but you open it up here, okay, and it will come with some paperwork, certificates, and everything in behind here. It's really very beautiful. And this is the watch cloth itself here, so you can polish your watch with this cloth. And this is the watch. This is actually the pieces that my husband took out of the strap so that he could size it for me. So these are all the extra pieces, and we kept them. So this is the watch that I got. It's a mixture of silver with some gold dials in the center there, and it's very, very beautiful. I've always wanted one like this in this brand, but budget friendly here. So this is what it actually looks like, and I had to squish this down a little bit because this is the size of my wrist, and generally it's the size for a man. So this watch is in a 41 millimeter. It's the size, and I like larger faces on the watch. So it's 41 millimeters. It has a smooth bezel on it and the bracelet. It also comes with the logo on the back of the bracelet here, and the logo up here on the bracelet. The one that I chose doesn't have the date on it here, and it has sort of a silver face background in the face here with just lines. There's no numbers or no Roman numbers or anything on it. It just has the lines, and it will actually glow a little bit in the dark. So if you're in the dark, you have to see your watch, it will glow. And then also on the dial here, I don't know if you're able to see it, but it also has the logo right there on the dial itself. Okay, and this is what it looks like. I'm not really sure you can see it that well, but anyway, this is what my watch looks like, and really I love it. So it's it's a learning experience when you get one. So you have to pull the little thing open and then you snap it open. So this is actually it here. It's beautiful. Okay, and I fell so much in love with this one that I also ordered another one, and the other one that I ordered is much different than this one. It will have a Jubilee bracelet on it, and it has mint green in the background, and it will also come with a date on the corner. It's shipped to me now, but this seller I will link in my Linktree, but this seller, I didn't buy my second one from him with the green, the mint green, because I asked him for it and he just replied, no have. So he didn't have the one that I'm looking for currently. I got it off of another seller, and once I get it, I will show you too what that one looks like. But this one here, he has a lot of different colors, like the Tiffany blue, he has yellow, he has orange, he has black, and a really darker blue, this silver one, and brown one. So if I really like the mint green one that's coming, I also like the brown one that they have too. So anyway, thank you for asking. I don't mind showing. So if you're interested in it, you will find the link on my Linktree. And yeah, I will see you all again soon. Before the sun goes down, I'm going to the pharmacy. Ciao, everyone. See you again soon. Bye.